Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to remove the calcium deposit in your toilet bowl using more vinegar. So I've got more vinegar here. I bought it up from Tesco. I'm going to pour it into the toilet. So pour it into the toilet and leave it for a good, say, 3 hours. And leave it there. The more vinegar is quite effective, so I'll leave it in the toilet for about 3 hours plus. And then maybe add some bicarbonate or inside. So you get bicarbonate from a shop. So when you buy that, pour it in. So pour the bicarbonate inside, and that actually is going to break down the minerals, which is the calcium in the toilet. So leave it for a good 30 minutes for that to kind of break it down. And then what you can do is, if you've left it overnight, that will be really efficient and easy, so you can still leave it for 30 minutes when you wake up in the morning, and this will actually just break down the minerals to take the calcium off. So, and then just get a normal toilet brush first and scrub it. You see, like, the water in the toilet is quite low, so you don't want to fill in the toilet, otherwise the more vinegar will be diluted. So you want to take off most of the water in the bowl. Use a slim brush as well to scrub again. So that slim brush actually goes right on inside. If not, you put on gloves and just put your hand in the toilet and scrub it. If you've got a soft scorer, but that brush is quite good because it's flexible. And you can use that to scrub the really difficult edges. And obviously make sure you've got long gloves if you're actually putting your hands right inside the toilet to scrub it. So once you've done that, you actually just make sure you scrub it properly. Do it a few times because it might be hard to take it off, but leaving overnight, the more vinegar would work. So you rinse it off, and then what you have to do is to actually make sure you check if that has gone. Add some bleach, and leave the bleach for a few minutes. I'll say 10 minutes. So what I'll do now is probably just add some bleach into the toilet. Make sure it's a deep gel bleach, so it should take off all the residual minerals that have been broken down in the toilet. So pour the bleach in there and leave it. Again, make sure that there's not too much water in that toilet. If not, use a bowl and take the excess water off. So yeah, leave it for 10 minutes. Let the bleach kind of just finalize and make sure that everything is clean. And then you wash the toilet and scrub it rather with a brush as usual. After the bleach, if you've left it for 10 minutes, use a toilet brush and just quickly whisk it and scrub whatever the residuals are in the toilet. And then you can flush it off. But the best thing again is if you leave it overnight, that is really going to be helpful. But just clean your toilet as usual to get a nice finish. And just scrub it well, and then you rinse it off as usual. And please, if you're still watching, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more of this content. I'm gonna probably flush it again, and take the excess water off as well, so the calcium is gone. I'll bring the camera closer so you can actually see how everything is gone. Again, best to leave it overnight, but taking all that calcium off, and it looks beautiful. If you do like it, look at that, really nice. Everything is gone. If you did it with just a normal bleach, that wouldn't go anywhere. So please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Spark and clean. Bye.